Welcome back. In this practice, we're going to find length of arc AB. To find length of arc AB, we're going to use this relationship. This is going to be a ratio equals ratio, so it's a proportional. And the relationship on the left-hand side is a partial to the whole. Therefore, right side is also partial to the whole. And the left side, we're going to set as angle measure and angle measure. And the right-hand side, we're going to set as length to length. As you can see, this is a beautiful, consistent relationship. Let's talk about left-hand side. Part of this circle is this arc, AB. Arc AB has a measure 108. The whole circle has a measure 360. So we're going to put 360 degrees here. Now let's look at the length. We don't know what the length of AB is. We can call it X. We do know what the length of the whole circle is. That is our circumference of the circle. To find the circumference, we use 2 times pi times radius, that is 17. 2 times 17, that is 34. So we have 34 pi. For the pi on your little calculator, you can definitely use your pi key, or you can use 3.14 is about to 3.14. Now, let us erase the part that we do not need. We do not need this little bubbles here. That is our symbol for the angle measure. We can cancel them out, okay? Same units, you can cancel it out. Then I'm going to continue reduce 108 over 360. Because 108 is, let me use eraser, 108 is 3 times 4 times 9. Because 3 times 4 is 12. Okay? 12 times 9. That is 108. So I write down 108 is 3 times 4 times 9. And then I'm going to write down 360 as 4 times 9 times 10. Now you can see clearly what can be eliminated here. 4 gone. 9 gone. All right, I'm going to erase it. You can see this once was big, pretty big fraction now becomes so simple, so easy now. And then we can start to do our cross multiplication. Cross multiplication tells us 10x is 3 times 34 times pi. You can use your calculator, find out what is x. And remember, you pushed the pi key or you estimated pi as 3.14, so your x is about 32.04. And we have a centimeter. Remember, it's not a square because you're looking for the length, so just the centimeter. All right, don't leave because I'm going to show you how to find the area of sector. We are going to use the same information here to find the area of the sector. It's like you cut this piece of pizza off the whole pizza, and this part I just shaded, that's called sector. To find the area of sector on the left-hand side, we're going to set exactly the same. Partial measure is 108, and the circle measure is 360. Now we're looking for area. So this is a part, this is a whole. Therefore, the sector area we don't know. So it says x. And the whole part is the area of the circle. Therefore, it's pi r squared. and r is given to us. R is 17, so it's 17 squared. Okay, all right. Earlier we already simplified this part. This part is 3 over 10 equals x times 17 squared times pi. Cross multiplication. Let your calculator help you to solve what is x. 272.238. 272.238. What unit did we use? We use centimeter, so square centimeter. That is how you find the sector area. Happy learning.